I mean, it's as easy as that. That literally just went straight on. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please do subscribe, join the family. But today, I've wanted to try out magnetic lashes for the longest time. I've actually had a few pairs through the post. They've come free with like wigs that I've bought from China or just random products, and every pair that I've tried so far have not worked. I didn't even want to waste my time doing a video on them because I just thought they're the most useless things ever. And I am kind of filming this in the mindset of, if this doesn't work, I probably won't upload it either, because I want to find something that works so I can share it with you beauts. So I guess if you're watching this, then spoiler alert, it works. Or maybe I'm uploading this because it goes horrendously wrong. Who knows? Not even I know at this point. But I've been sent a gorgeous little package from Allure. They've even customised the little pouch with my initial C on it, so thank you so much. But of course they're a reputable brand. They're known for amazing products. I've used their lashes and products for years, so I'm excited to actually try magnetic lashes from a brand that I trust. Maybe this is going to be the answer to our prayers when we're in a rush. Maybe this is going to be for you, for me, who knows. But I've been sent two pairs. I've got some gorgeous little corner lashes here, which are nice and wispy. And then we've got some more like full-on lashes as well, which look very exciting. It's going to be something we'll have to have a little play with because you need to make sure that the magnets are on each end. But let's get straight into it. What I'm going to do is first of all try the more subtle ones, and then we will amp it up and get to the more dramatic ones in a second. It's the end of the day. My makeup doesn't look so flawless, so don't judge me on that. I have a little bit of mascara on and the tiniest bit of eyeshadow, but I'm just going to show you what we get in this package. You get magnetic lash liner, and the steps are as simple as step 1, apply the eyeliner, allow it to dry. Step 2, apply 2 more coats. Step 3, apply the lashes. So let's get into it. Okay, so you can see a bit more close up now that I literally have minimal mascara on, like hardly any eyeshadow, which is kind of perfect for applying lashes. You want them to make sure they blend. But let's put the eyeliner on. I'm going to be careful not to get this onto my lashes because I don't want the magnetic lashes to stick. So I'm literally going to use this magnetic lash glue as an eyeliner. Maybe even give it a tiny flick. Yep, I'm happy with that. I'll let that coat dry. What I will say is just get right up to the base of the lash line to be extra sure that they'll stick there. Let that dry, move on to the other eye. So if I wanted to go for more of a dramatic kind of wing, what I'd do is do my usual eyeliner, like say with the NYX Epic Ink, and then I would just use this along the lash line over the top of whatever liquid eyeliner that I used first, if that makes sense. So coat 1 done. Let's do another coat. That's what it says. It says do another 2 coats. Second coat, it's very quick. And now on to the third and final coat. So I've decided to do this series of testing out products because it's kind of how I started in the beauty world, really, trying the latest trends, be it lip plumpers or wigs and everything like that. And I've tried a few things on my channel over the years, but I wanted to bring it back and do like a proper CC Tries It series. Let me know what else you would like me to try and test. We can just have some fun with this series. I'm just letting this dry at the moment to make sure that I don't mess it up when I put the lashes on. So what else have I tried? I've tried microblading, I've tested out lip tattoos, I've tested out M-Sculpt, which is like where you get abs by going on a machine. Brow lamination, where you literally straighten your brows upwards. But go and check out my other testing videos or any of my other tutorials. Let me know what you think. Oh, I also want to know what days you think are better for me to upload. I'm definitely going to do Sundays, but should I upload on Tuesdays or Wednesdays? That's what I can't decide between. So let me know in the comments, please, Tuesday or Wednesday, what day is best. Exciting. Okay, I think they're dry. Let's test. So I'm just taking the lash out of the packet. And as I said, I'm going to try the little corner ones first, which are just nice and fluttery. I get so excited trying new products. Okay, so I'm just going to literally put them on like so. That literally just went straight on. That is literally on. I've even dragged that a little bit further up my wing now. Oh my gosh, it's making my eye look a little bit more almond shaped as well. Can you kind of see in comparison? That is just like so easy and so quick and so comfortable. Like, it doesn't even feel like it's on. Look at the difference. It like makes my eye look all feline and sexy. Whereas this one looks like a little round eye still. We need to make it nice and almond shaped. Just go straight on, guys. It's just staying on. Like, if I blink like really hard. That one has moved slightly. I mean, hopefully you're not going to blink that hard. But if you do, you just kind of put them back in place. I mean, I'm in love. This is the result of the little corner ones. What is the name of this style? Foam ink accent, 5-minute application, 15 wears. That's amazing, isn't it? I don't think these specifically have a name, but these are just like the corner lash ones. And they feel secure. I will say, to be honest, this is going to be perfect for me when I'm at home and do a full face and want to put some lashes on for a picture. But I don't want to commit to gluing them on because I always lose lashes when I peel them off, like no matter what I do. Okay, let's try the dramatic ones now. But look, they just come off as easy as that. Then back on, it's easy. I mean, I probably should apply them a bit better than that. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, I should probably make a TikTok of putting on these lashes. Is anyone else on TikTok, by the way? Let me know. Leave your TikTok handle below because I need friends on TikTok. I'm new and I'm loving it. It's so much fun. These look exciting. I don't normally get on with lashes if I haven't trimmed them or if they're this long, like in length, not lash length, like strip length, if that makes sense. But let's just see how we get on with these. I'm going to apply them without trimming. First, you've got 4 magnets on the back of this that should span across my whole lid. These ones aren't sticking down as easily. I wonder if the lash, the liner, sorry, needs to be a bit more fresh. I'm just going to apply one more coat of liner, see if that helps, because I wonder if sticking them down so many times before has pulled a little bit off. It does seem to be the case of the more liner, the more grip. Also, my eyes are like so sensitive, it's always like a 50-50% chance if they're gonna completely water when I put my lashes on, which is really annoying. But like, there's so many reasons why you'd use these as an alternative. For instance, my mum cannot get on with glue. It makes her eyes water. She ends up pulling her lashes out. You have to have the knack for it. So I'm gonna be intrigued to see if my mum loves this idea because she always wears eyeliner. So all she needs to do is swap out the eyeliner for the magnetic eyeliner and then pop these on if she wants. Take 2. Amazing. I can't get over how easy this is and how seamless they look. I'll look down for you as well. Look up. Oh, one side's kind of lifting a bit. To be honest, I think I preferred the corner ones. I would just stick to them. This is amazing for anyone that hasn't actually got any eyelashes as well because it sticks to the eyeliner, not like the actual lash line, if that makes sense, with the glue. I'm just so pleased that I finally found a magnetic lash kit that actually works. This is how they look a little bit further away as well. I mean, you'd never know that I've got magnetic eyelashes on, would you? So comfortable, so lightweight, and you can take them off in a second, in under a second. So just to remind you, these are the Eyelure London Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. And this is absolutely not sponsored. All of my opinions are my own. And I have to say it's been a huge success, which is always amazing when that happens. I'm sure they're very affordable. I will leave a little link below for you. Let me know if there's any other brands that have good magnetic lash systems that I could also recommend. Even though if I was going to go out all day long, I would worry that in like high winds they would blow off. But you know, it depends what occasion you want your magnetic lashes to be for, or what purpose or what reason. So it's personal to each one of us. But I mean, I take makeup photos every day and I'm ripping off my lashes at the end of it. I'm always losing my own natural lashes. So this is going to be something that I use when I'm taking a few makeup selfies at home and I don't want to commit to the glue. Anyway, let's wrap this up. It was a success. Cece tries and she succeeds. Yes. Let me know what you want me to try next. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a little comment below. Can't wait to see you on the next one, my beauties. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.